sensitivity analysis. This is whereby with the data that you have in terms of a model, you can be able to experiment and see what the results will be able to look like. For example, if your objective function is maximize 5 of x, 5 of x, 1, and 10 of x2. This is now the objective function, which means unit profit per 1 unit of x1, it is giving you a profit of 5. X2 is giving you a profit of 10. So you can now decide to change this profit to 6, and you change this to 12. And from there, you see what is the behavior of the maximum profit. Or for example, you have a limiting factor, which is 100. You decide to increase this limiting factor maybe to 150. Then from there, you see how the maximum profit or the minimum cost will be. So when now you are experimenting, it's just taking the model. Then once you take the model, you now test by relaxing some variables, either the objective function, either the constraint, or you change the decision variable and see how the maximum profit is likely to change. So that's what we mean by the sensitivity analysis. $28,000.
It's clear, but is it something that is it a way of
Not the best decision.
okay?
You know, Bill, what you are saying here,
Yeah,
linear programming deals with scarce resources.
yeah.
For example, you could be having 3 projects, and all these projects are viable projects. You have maybe project A, project B, and project C. Then from this project, you find project A requires 2 million, B requires 1 million, and C requires 2 million. So these 3 projects need 5 million. Then cash is a scarce resource. Then you realize that the amount of money that you have is only 2 million, what we call capital rationing. And now you want to look at this scenario where now you can be able to formulate it using the linear programming and see how you can be able to commit these 2 million to these projects which are viable. Then from there, you will be able to get the results. Then you say, assume now I borrow an additional 2 million, so that I have 4 million, and you factor the interest rate. What will be the situation? You want now to see what will happen, so that you can now be able to make the decision either to go to the bank and borrow money and finance the project. So that is what we mean by sensitivity analysis.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.